Check the description for more information about the equipment and settings. First, I'm going to crop the photo. And I use a 4:3 ratio. I adjust the angle to rotate the photo. And I adjust the crop and position. I adjust the temperature to make the photo less yellow and warm. And the tint to make the photo a bit more pink. I increase the exposure and the shadows. And I decrease the blacks. I will show you the difference these settings made. Now I will color grade the photo, and I start with the mid-tones. I want to make the mid-tones a bit more orange. You can also adjust the settings like this instead of using the wheel. As you can see, this is only a subtle change. Then I go to the highlights. And I make these a bit more blue. I increase the luminance a bit. This is also a very subtle change. Then I adjust the balance. I will show you the difference these settings made. Then I go to masking. I like to use objects to select my subject, because it sometimes gives more control over what gets masked. I decrease the highlights. And increase the contrast. Then I make a new mask and I select the background. I decrease the texture to make the background soft and smooth. I will show you the difference these masks make. And here is the before and after.